The universal remote controls market industry. The growth of universal remote controls is attributable to the rising demand for audio, video, gaming, lighting, and air conditioning devices on the market. The global universal remote controls market size is expected to reach $363.64 million by 2032 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 5.4% during the forecast period. Some growth drivers of universal remote controls market. First, smart home integration. Second, technological innovations. Third, consumer demand for convenience. And last is increased device proliferation.